Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you how to crochet bright and colorful jewelry cord. This cord consists of puff stitches and beads. For this project I use different colors of beads, but you can choose any other color. Such cord can be perfect to create jewelry. It can be perfect for bracelet or necklace. You need just put clasps to it and accessories for your clothes or for bags. Also, you can use it for your home. This is very easy to make cord, so you don't need to spend a lot of time. Please don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel and write comment below the video what you will get. Let's get started crocheting the cord. For work you need beads, different colors, and a ball of yarn, 45% acrylic yarn and 55% cotton yarn. And before the work you should thread that beads onto the working yarn. And a crochet hook. Let's crochet the cord. Make a chain. Then I draw 3 beads like this. I grab the yarn and pull it through. Then I turn the work. Then yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch and make the puff stitch. Make a puff stitch that consists of 5 strings. Pull up to the level of the chain like this. 1, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same chain stitch, pull up a loop. 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook and I pull a little bit. I draw 3 beads. I grab the yarn and pull it through, make a chain with 3 beads. Then I turn the work, pull up to the level of my future stitch. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the top of my previous stitch. I insert the hook into 2 loops and pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then yarn over, pull through. My puff stitch is ready. Draw 3 beads and make a chain with 3 beads. So you should crochet as many times as you need Let's repeat one more time. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the 2 loops, pull up a loop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. My complex stitch is ready. Then I draw 3 beads. Then make a chain with 3 beads. Pull a little bit, then I turn the work. My colorful cord bracelet is ready. In my case, it is very colorful because I'm using different colors of beads, but you can choose one color beads. Let's repeat one more time. My puff stitch, insert the hook into 2 loops, pull up a loop 5 times, pull up a loop 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then pull through all loops on the hook and work with 3 beads and make a chain with 3 beads. So I have done puff stitch 4 times. Here how it looks. So I continue working in this way. As many times as I need. So my cord bracelet, necklace or choker is almost ready. For this cord I choose different colors of beads, so it looks very funny. It can be perfect for any child. This kind of cord can be perfect to create jewelry. This is very easy to make cord, so you don't need to spend a lot of time. Please don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. Thank you so much for watching.